Hi there, and in this video we're going to go through on Windows 10 how to go through basic troubleshooting steps in resolving your internet connection issues. Now it's alright, the first step that we always go to as an IT professional, so go to your modem, look for the power button, turn that off for about 30 seconds and turn it back on again and wait for a minute or two and see if you can connect to the internet that way. Now if you're using wireless, you can still go through these same steps. So the first step is we'll go to the bottom left hand corner where you can see the start menu. So we'll click on the start menu and we'll type in C for cat, M for Mary, D for desk, which will bring up command prompt. As you can see, we now have the Windows command prompt open. So the first command we're going to enter is Ipconfig, like so, all in one word. As you can see, we are now in a Windows IP configuration. We can see our Ethernet adapter Ethernet 0 settings. And you can see our IPv4 address, which is 192.168.1.7, our subnet mask and default gateway. Now if you are not seeing any of these, or if it's coming up as nothing, again that will mean you have no internet connection. So what do we do if we don't have any internet? Well, we will now clear screen, so we write down CLS. Now we'll clear our screen. The first step is to go to ipconfig, like so, /renew. Now you may get an error, and that's okay. Or if you are successful, you will see a successful message. Another command we can try is ipconfig /flush DNS. We'll try that one more time. And now we should be getting a message to say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can close this window. Again, restart your computer to see if you've got internet connection. If you don't, that's alright, we can try another step. Our next step is to go to control panel. So we go to the start menu down at the bottom here, and we'll write down control. Go to control panel, go to network and internet. Now we go to network and sharing center. Okay, so now you should be able to see view your active networks. Access type, Ethernet, connections, Ethernet 0. So what we can do is, we can click on Ethernet 0. It'll bring up a dialog called Ethernet 0 status. We can go to properties. User account control dialog will pop up. So you may require your administrator to be by your side to be able to enter in the administrator password. If you are on a Ross.co care plan, you will have to contact Ross.co directly and we will have to enter in the password for you. So now we go yes. Go to Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP version 4. Now we go to properties. And what we need to do is go to obtain an IP address automatically, make sure that is checked. And also check to make sure that you obtain DNS server address automatically. We have user following DNS server address set for this computer because we're using it as a test environment. So now we press OK and press close. If you are still not getting internet connection at all after we've done those two steps, we have one more step to try. So what we'll need to do is click on disable So we are disabling our internet network card. We enter in our administrator password. Now we click yes. And now we should have absolutely no internet, so whatever. That's alright. Now we come back to this tab up here where it says network and internet. We'll click on that. Now that we've done that, we go to internet options. Okay, so now that we've done that, we need to go right click, open network in internet settings. Click on change adapters options. Now we should see Internet 0 disabled. That's alright. So what we'll do is we go right click, enable. It will ask for our administrative password again. It may also ask for your password on the local machine if you don't have an administrative account. So that's alright. So now we click on yes to continue. It's enabling the internet. It will say enabled. You should see a little caution sign saying identifying. That's alright. We give it a minute or so and now we should have internet. Hopefully this video tutorial was able to help you. If you are still struggling in finding out why your internet's not working, you are more than welcome to give us a call on 1300 756 258, open Monday to Friday 8 AM to 6 PM, or you are more than welcome to send us an email, info@ross.co.net. Now if you're not on a Ross.co plan, we recommend you should be. It's only $25 per month and you can be on a secured network. We'll be able to provide on-site and remote support so you can be anywhere around in Australia, and we can provide you remote support. Not only do you get a secure network, but all of your files are backed up to our network. So if you lose your computer or your computer crashes, we'll be able to obtain those files for you. Again, thanks for watching. We hope this video tutorial was able to help you. Again, if you've got any questions, comment down below or give us a call or send us an email. My name's Ross and thanks for watching another Ross.co's video.